Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Emus.Farm.Project. So today I've decided to record a video, small short video showing you one of the things that I grow home. As you see, this is my tomato plant. As you can see, they're about ripe. This is my watermelon. As you see, it's grown home. I'm home. I'm not in my garden as usual. So this is still a tomato. This is its support. As you see around, I have a lot of things at home, and this is what we call urban farming. As you saw my chickens back there, I do them at home. My watermelon, as I've showed you, I even have some cabbages over here. So as you see, this is my cabbage, and this is my cabbage too, and soon we are going to be harvesting and eating it. So hope you're enjoying everything here. This is the home. As you see, small farm. I'm still establishing some other things here. These are bananas. I'm still home. Don't say that I've moved. I'm still home. I've not moved anywhere. These are my bananas. This is a what? An orange. These are my sugar canes. So as you see, for me, I decided to use my plants, or I've decided to use these edible plants as my flowers home. I don't have any flower that is not eatable here. As I've showed you, I have tomatoes over there. I have cabbages. I have bananas. I have everything, all fruits, and I'm still establishing more. Everything I do it at home. My rabbits, yes, as you saw them, they are the chickens at home. So that's what we call urban farming in a limited space. I also have jackfruit over here. This one I didn't grow it myself, but it grew itself, but we didn't cut it. So anytime from now we are going to be eating our fruits. So keep around my channel, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Share to a friend. Let them learn something from us. Thank you.